Today, I'd like us to talk about magnetic level transmitters. Having discussed hydrostatic level transmitter in our last video. A magnetic level transmitter is a continuous float level transmitter or sensor that provides near real-time level measurements by creating compacting magnetic field to generate a signal corresponding to liquid level. A magnetic level transmitter involves the use of a permanent magnet sealed inside a float whose rise and fall causes the opening or closing of a mechanical switch, either through direct contact or in proximity of a reed switch. The magnetic float level transmitter is composed of three main components. The first one is a hollow stem containing a waveguide made from ferromagnetic material, which is suspended in the liquid being measured. The second one is a hollow float, which contains the permanent magnet and moves with the surface of the liquid up and down the stem. The third one is the device electronics, which produces an electromagnetic pulse at predetermined level. This pulse travels down the waveguide, creating its own magnetic field. When this pulse reaches the float, the conflicting magnetic field creates vibration in the waveguide, causing a strained pulse to propagate back up the waveguide at known speed. The strained pulse is detected by a component of the electronics that converts the mechanical energy into electronic signal. An electronic chip then measures the time lapse between the initial pulse and the returning strained pulse, thus determining the distance between the device electronics and the float with a high degree of accuracy. Now, let's look at the advantages of magnetic level transmitters. It greatly increased visibility, can be easily retrofitted into current level chamber, and it continues to operate even in an event of electrical power failure. So let's look at the disadvantages of today's magnetic level transmitters. For one, it can only work if the auxiliary column and floats are made of non-magnetic materials. The anti-interference ability is poor. Therefore, it is not recommended to be used in places with strong electromagnetic radiation range constraints. I hope you've learned something about magnetic level transmitters today.